Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Suunto high pressure quick disconnect. So this is a quick disconnect coupling for your high pressure gauges or your dive computer, or maybe a wireless air transmitter, something that you don't want permanently fixed onto your regulator. This way you can quickly kind of disconnect it and sort of store it away sort of separately. So it's a quick bayonet sort of fitting. It's spring loaded as well. So you push it in, twist it, and then you're going to sort of release. So this end stays connected to either your regulator or the end of your high pressure hose. This section has a swivel as well, so it can turn. And then this section, you're gonna fit onto the end of your gauges or your integrated dive computer, or maybe a wireless air transmitter. You don't need to fit a swivel pin in this end, so you just need an O-ring to seal on that. So it does come with a set of O-rings and a swivel pin as well. The swivel pin you'll need for this end, that's if you're fitting it to a hose, just creates a more effective seal. It's a very clever sort of handy little device, especially if you have something particularly valuable that you don't want attached to your regulator at all times, especially if it's like your dive computer. If you have an air integrated dive computer, you can quickly disconnect it, and that way you can store your regulators away, and then you can sort of use your dive computer to log your dives, connect it to your desktop computer for whatever reason you want to disconnect it. So a handy little bit of kit. This is the Suunto high pressure quick disconnect. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.